I'm in. Any news, Barb?
No. He's been gone 2 days. I'm worried. You know what he's been like since...
I'll find him.
I hope you're right.
Harley Quinn's preparing for some kind of siege. What's she planning?
Find Batman and get the hell out of there, okay?
Don't worry, Barb. It's me, remember?
You sound just like him.
You left me to die. 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 You left me to die.
Who the hell is this loser?
It's Robin! Kill him!
Lucky, I need you later.
Barb, I found the missing cops. Quinn's got him.
Any sign of Bruce?
Negative. I'm gonna keep looking. Harley's telling the cops she's got some sort of plan for them. They'll be safe for now.
Be careful.
This'll end okay. I promise.
You think? He's not been the same since... He won't even talk about Talia or Joker.
We'll help him once we find him. It's all we can do.
People will storm this place. You'll all get killed.
Really? I don't think so.
You heard from Harley?
Nah, she's probably still crying.
She'd better get over the boss soon. She's turning into a liability.
He's here! Robin's here!
I know. What choice do we have? Harley's gone crazy.
She was crazy before.
Yeah, well, now she's crazier. She just wants revenge. Murder.
At least she's got the bat. Once he's dead, maybe she'll calm down.
I'm gonna rip you apart!
Nothing yet. Don't sweat it. If anyone comes this way, I'll make them regret it.
You better. I've lost contact with the rest of the guys and I don't like it.
It's not a problem. When I kill this sucker... I can... See you?
What?
Nothing.
Did you just make a move on me?
No, I mean, I'm just being friendly. Trying to help.
I don't know. Do you think you can measure up to my Joker? He was the best a girl could get. Little this part? Hello? Are you there? What's happening? Oh, for the love of... What's wrong with you people? Hello? Whoever you are, I know
Go on. Pick it up.
No way, man. That thing's dangerous. You saw what it did.
What? It's just a belt.
No, it's Batman's belt.
It's Robin! Your mommy won't know who you are when you're done. My face is the last thing you'll ever see. You ready?
Tim, what's going on? Have you found him?
Just keep the damn site covered. I don't want that madwoman getting out of there. Understand?
Harley Quinn.
How'd you guess? Her goons ambushed my guys and dragged them towards the steel mill. We can't get close.
I'll handle it.
You sure? You know she blames you, right? Could be a trap.
Fall back and stop anyone else getting hurt. I'll handle the rest.
When this mess is cleared up, we need to talk about that other problem. Remember? You look terrible. I know you blame yourself. Don't. It wasn't your fault.
Gordon wouldn't be dumb enough to let more of his cops get caught. If we just get this done and get the hell out of Arkham City, I'm freezing here. I don't care what they say. I know Batman killed the Joker. I just know it.
I found Batman! Help me! Someone, help!
There's one of the cops.
Please, you don't need to do this!
Sure.
Batman! It's Batman! Oh, Batman! It's everyone run! me down! What are you waiting for? Get me down!
You're safe.
Am I glad to see you?
What happened? Where are the others?
We were ambushed. They dragged us outside the steel mill and beat the crap out of us. These bastards dragged off the others and brought me here.
I'll find them. Wait here. Hide.
You okay? Don't want to talk? No problem. I'll just be waiting here.
This is Vicky Vale live outside the now-condemned Arkham City site, which just weeks after those fateful events that brought all of Gotham into chaos once again. Minutes ago, I...
The cops go. Harley had him moved.
You know where.
Oh, the secret.
Shut up, you idiot.
What?
No one's supposed to know about it.
Dumbass cops should never have gotten themselves caught.
Quinn's thugs were talking about the missing cops. If they were here, they may have left some evidence that I can follow.
All units, this is Gordon. As of now, the Arkham...
That radio belonged to a cop. There may be evidence around here of where he was taken. I should set up a crime scene.
PD officers must retreat immediately. That's now, people. No heroics, understand?
This blood belonged to the cop. I should follow it and see where they took him.
Exits out to sea being contained. We're not losing anyone else.
Ask me, Harley should just go get herself some help.
You're not getting away from me.
Kick she's on.
What are we doing in here? Guarding this stupid switch? Man, I thought this place was a secret. Who's gonna come in here anyway?
That man?
Yeah, right. Ain't this thing supposed to be...
What's the bat doing here?
Tell me how to get through that door. And don't waste time lying. I'll know.
Oh, God. Harley gave code cards to the people she trusts most. You need 3 codes to get in. Please, I'll tell you where they are. Just don't hurt me.
I'll do my best.
I got a bad feeling about all of this.
That thug's got the code. I need to leave him until last, so that he tells me what I want to know.
I know that man killed the Joker. I just... I've got him covered here!
What? Harley's still screwed up. No way am I gonna piss her off.
The code. Give me it, or get ready to hurt.
Here it is. Please, I don't want any trouble.
Too late. That's one code. I need 2 more.
How come I don't get the chance to off one of those pigs? If I see Batman, Robin, or one of them other do-gooders, I'm sticking a bullet between their eyes. One way or another, those cops are dead. How come we can't just off the cops and get the hell out of here?
It's the freaking bat!
Give me the code.
Yeah, no problem. See? I'm doing what you wanted.
There was never any doubt in my mind. One more code, and I can break Harley Quinn's security system.
It's Batman!
How come it's always so damn cold here?
It's Batman!
The code. Now!
Please don't hurt me. Here it is.
Night-night. That's all the codes. Next stop, Harley.
Come, I never get to be the one to kill a cop.
How cold does it have to be before someone thinks to give us codes? Kill Harley to give us something warm to wear.
Just chill out, man. We're safe. No one knows we're down here. It's a secret base, right? Look out! It's the bat! Arkham City is gonna be the last thing you see. cry, pig. You're still alive, aren't you? Now, don't get me wrong. I can't guarantee you'll stay that way. I mean, look around. If I don't kill you, one of my friends up there will. Go on, take a look. You see those sniper rifles? Real nasty. I hear they can target little tiny bits of you and blow them off one at a time. Oh, come on, it can't be a surprise. I mean, look, I'm one of the bad guys, right? You're one of the good guys. We just don't get along. It's the way it is. Nothing we can do about it. So, no matter what I do to you, you know that eventually, if you're still tied up, and I'm still able to do it, I'll kill you. Hell, I may torture you first. I'll cut off an ear, maybe both, but I will kill you. Oh, don't go passing out on me. The fun's just starting. Don't cry, pig. I'm just getting started. You ever think it would end this way?
Tied up here, Batman. Please, get me out of this thing.
You're safe.
I don't think so, Bat Brain. It's dead cop time. Does it hurt? Too bad. Come on, boys.
What's it doing?
Hurry up, idiots.
Come on, don't piss off Harley.
Tim, what's going on? Have you found him?
Kinda.
What does that mean?
Don't worry, I think I'm close. I'll let you know.
5 minutes with the bat. That's all I need. Payback for Joker.
He's just up there, right? What's stopping you?
Look out! Robin!
I found him.
Thank God. Is he okay?
Quinn's got him trapped.
We'll get him out of it.
Harley's built some kind of monument to the Joker, and it's stopping me from getting to Batman. Looking at this place, she's crazier than we thought. I'm gonna search the area and try to work out how to save him. The security panel appears to control the statue. Batman will die in there if I don't find the key. I guess I should go find Harley Quinn and ask her for it.
Can you hear me down there, Bert?
Damn it! He's trapped in that thing. Looks like he's entered some sort of meditative state. I don't have much time. He's running out of air.
To know how my Joker felt.
Found anything?
Nah, it's just full of crap. The rest of this place.
What's Robin doing here?
I don't care how you do it, just don't let me down. Mr. J wouldn't like it if you failed me, would he? No, he wouldn't. He'd be very upset. He'd probably kill you all, or break your legs, or glue your eyes open, or make you eat a grenade. Oh, who am I kidding? He'd do something much better. He was Mr. J, right? He always knew what to do. I'm just here, alone, relying on you idiots. So don't fail me! Don't let your guard down, boy! Get this idiot off of me!
This way! He went this way! On me! I got him!
Spread out. We'll find us something. Got it?
What? Came from over here, I'm sure of it! I got him! He's over here!
Stay calm. We need to keep it together. If we lose it, we're as good as...
Sure it came from over there. It came from over here, I'm sure of it! What? Sure it came from over there.
Really?
No! That's mine! Ugh, let me go!
Whatever you say.
Get me down, bird brain!
Well, look who it is. It'll... What's Robin doing here?
We've been sent to have some fun with you, Robin.
Make sure this hurts! I'll break every bone in your freaking body!
What kept you?
Ever heard of thank you?
What happened to the cops?
I guess not.
You don't need to worry about them, Bat Brain. They'll be dead soon. Oh, and so will you.
You save the cops. I'll handle the bombs.
Oh, good luck with that, losers!
The workings of this bomb look familiar. I need to shut it down, then examine it. I knew it. The bombs have been built using explosives stolen from the GCPD lockup last week. Harley Quinn hasn't changed the detonation frequency. I'll calibrate the cowl to locate any other objects tuned into this frequency.
Look out! It's Batman!
should have left me to die. Then I could have been back together with Mr. J.
Quiet! Where's Robin?
I thought he was with you.
See? It hurts, don't it?
What have you done?
Now you know how it feels.
So, did you miss me?
Where are the cops?
They're safe.
I'm done here.
Hey, kid. Is he all right?
Yeah, sure. Of course he is.